A new 3D avatar generator model has just been presented by Microsoft. The model is called Rodin, and it uses AI to generate and make 3D avatars with just text prompts or an image. Before actually talking about the model itself, let's first talk about the problem that Microsoft is trying to solve here, and how this model can help a lot of artists in different industries. First of all, 3D avatar models are widely used within the game and film industries, as well as the metaverse. But on the other hand, the available digital avatar data is very scarce, as each avatar has to be painstakingly created by a specialized 3D artist using a special software and a sophisticated pipeline, especially for modeling hair and facial hair. And this leads to a compelling scenario for generative modeling. So to solve this problem, Microsoft has created this model where they aim to expand the applicability of diffusion such that it can serve as a generative model for 3D digital avatars. And the interesting thing is, the system generates realistic 3D digital avatars automatically. The produced avatars are freely viewable in 360 degrees and have great quality surprisingly. And the model opens up a new potential for 3D artists, and this can speed up the process of creating complex 3D models significantly in the future, because a lot of things are going to change in the future since a lot of companies are investing a lot of money and time into creating projects that help create art, whether it be 2D or 3D, which is promising and scary at the same time, especially for people who are involved personally in the industry, whether it be working directly in the industry as a 3D artist or a freelancer who relies on art as a main source of income. So things are uncertain during these times. Additionally, Rodin's technology is built on deep learning algorithms, which provides the model with the ability to comprehend the intricate details of human facial characteristics and expressions. This is basically really difficult to achieve, especially knowing that artists working in studios find it hard to nail. And using AI, it might be difficult or it might be hard depending on how smart these algorithms are. So as a result of these human facial characteristics and expressions, your avatar will not only look just like you, but it will also be able to accurately replicate your facial emotions and body posture. The model works by taking a neural volume represented as multiple 2D feature maps and rolls out these maps into a single 2D feature plane and performing 3D aware diffusion within this plane. Furthermore, this approach is different from the previous one since it aims to learn 3D avatar generation using multi-view rendering from the Blender synthetic pipeline rather than learning 3D aware generation from a collection of 2D images like the previous techniques did. And I personally find this really interesting, by the way. Also, rather than treating the multi-view images of the same subject as individual training samples, the model fits the volumetric neural representation for each avatar, which is used to explain all the observations from different viewpoints. Therefore, they use diffusion models to characterize the distribution of these 3D instances. So as you can see, they are using different techniques, and new ones I might say, because they want more control, more accuracy, and a result that looks believable. Anyways, let me now share with you one of Rodin's most exciting features, which is its ability to be utilized in a number of applications, from virtual reality, gaming, video conferencing, and social networking. I mean, like, imagine being able to communicate with friends and coworkers in a virtual setting while utilizing an avatar that is remarkably accurate to your look. Even though we have the technology right now, it's still in its early days, and I think it is in its infancy, because we have companies such as Meta that is spending billions of dollars to make this happen. They are still finding it very difficult to achieve this kind of stuff. So just take this with a grain of salt until you see it applicable and being used in the industry where people with millions of dollars are investing in it and turning it into an actually usable thing. If you want to read more about this, you can take a look at further details about the Rodin project. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to stay updated with the latest news and when it comes to the CG and 3D industry in general. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.